How to get Meta AI on Facebook? So usually Meta AI is available on your shortcuts right here. But if you can see them, then that might mean that your country or your region is not yet eligible for Meta AI. So let's head over right here to our browser and let's search for Meta AI region. Let's search in here for that Meta AI region. So once you have searched right here for Meta AI regions, you should be able to see in here some kind of region list that they are available into. So here's the article from Meta itself. So let's scroll down and we can see in here all of the actual country available for Meta AI. So it actually sees you the feed on the Meta AI and a lot more. So in here you can see the option of Meta AI and what country they're into. You can see that they're available Australia, Canada, Ghana, and a lot more. But they're actually not available onto my region. My region right now is actually on the Philippines, and since they're not here, that means that I can't use Meta AI yet. So what you can do is you can just wait for them to add that to your region. So that's how you get Meta AI on Facebook. Hope we help.